Kill him.
Good morning, folks. It's like 5:20 right now. We're just getting set up for a nice goose hunt this morning. Back in that oat field. You might have seen that video. If you didn't, I'll put that in the description. But we're setting up basically nice 50 decoys, silhouettes, and full bodies with some floaters just chilling in the field because that's what we have. And yeah, we're gonna be just hiding right in the edge here. You probably can't see it yet. Alright, guys. True. We're waiting for it to become a shooting light. It's raining now. We got a nice thunderstorm rolling in. Me and Levi are hiding in his layout blind. Some too poor to have one apparently or something. Probably, I don't know if you can see the flashes or not. Ooh, that was a doozy. But yeah, it's rolling in, so we're hiding in here trying to stay semi-dry and take a nap before shooting light comes around. Oh. Alright, folks, we just made a dash for the car. It's raining like crazy and the lightning got super close, so we're hiding in here right now. As you can see, it looks like daylight when the lightning comes. It's like 7 minutes till shooting light, but it's still pitch black outside. So yeah, we're gonna sit in here and wait till the storm passes and get back out there. Okay guys, that storm just went east of us. We're all set up now. The other boys literally have water in their layout. There's literally pouring rain. But now if you look over there, these guys are clearing up a good amount. Still pretty dark, but I think they're gonna start flying pretty soon. So I'm gonna put the big lens on this camera, see if I can get some good footage. I'm just laying it. Yeah, you probably can't see anything. I'm just laying in the hay, and the other boys got layouts covering hay. Our height is pretty decent. I'll show you once it gets brighter, but yeah, rock and roll, baby. Guns all loaded. Shooting light. Hopefully the geese start flying pretty soon. Yeah, right over that tree. Call loud. Be ready, boys. You guys ready? I know, get ready, get ready. Should we kill these three guys? Or should we wait? Okay. I wish there was a little more wind. Hey Levi, did some land behind us? Right? Did some land behind us? Okay, should we just shoot these three? Yeah. Dude, my... Dude, that one's sailing. Huh? That one's sailing to that dude's field over there. Okay, should we go collect these real quick? That was so many geese, bro.
For some reason, I only had 2 shells in my gun. I put 2 in, loaded one in the chamber, and forgot to do the head. Wait, how many did we get?
We got all 4, but one went flying way the crap over there. So we're probably not.
Listen. Your hunters. Oh guys, wasn't there camping right behind the street? Yeah, they're still kind of there.
You guys ready? Kill him!
Oh yeah.
Dude, my gun sucks.
See that thing on my last shot? I had the last shot. They're coming around.
Hit the call. Shoot him! What? I can't, you guys can't. It's your season. Guys, get ready. Ready, guys? Yo, you guys shot him. I know, I said shoot him, but nobody moved.
I didn't hear you.
I didn't really.
They were like right there, bro. You guys could have at least got one of them.
I know.
Those things were literally just dumping in here.
Oh man, I ticked at myself. I should have just shot those things. I didn't hear you.
We should have shot them when they were behind there.
Should have shot them. We only hunted one evening this year.
That's Samuel. Dude, Sandhills is coming right in, bro.
Make a video called "What Can I Get?"
This is what our hide looks like. We're already packing up, as you can see that layout blinds out, but there's Levi and his. He's hidden actually pretty stinking good. Here's me though, it's just a pile of hay that I just plumped my butt in. And yeah, I think we ended up with 8 geese, and we lost one that sailed way the crap onto that dude's land. And then we also had 2 ducks come literally just right in. And then I said shoot them, but nobody heard me, so yeah. We didn't get those. And I also could have shot a bunch of turkeys, because there were tons of turkeys right there too. But I also didn't shoot those. And my gun also sucks because it jams every 2 seconds. And I shot 3 times out of all that time. But yeah, still a pretty decent hunt, not gonna lie. Got a bunch of gooses. Decent amount. About halfway to our limit here in Michigan. Like, we've just, holy what? We've just been struggling on decoying those big groups. I don't know why. Just no wind at all. And they just circle and circle and circle and they keep going. So my land is super foggy, but don't mind that. Yeah, we're picking up now. It's like, I don't know, 9:40 maybe or so. Picking up, and hope you enjoyed. Stay tuned for the next one, folks.